2006 Chevy Silverado SS Clone, 5.3 liter V8. Still got factory converters there and there, or secondary actually, aftermarket high flow can on this side and a factory on this side. Then it winds into a single. Then it's got 2.5 all the way, and then we put 2 1/4 tailpipes out each side, right there, out of a wide pipe with turn downs. You didn't want to see any of it, just nice and hidden. Right there and right there. Mandrel bent tailpipes, as you guys can see. Really beautiful. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Got the roll bumper on the back. Really clean. Nice thing about turn downs, you don't see it. Nice and tucked, clean. What you got? You guys hear the decibels? About 100, not too bad. Nice and tucked, nice and clean, you don't see anything. Turn downs give it a distinctive sound. All right. Really nice.